Wow!
Greetings everyone. Today, we bring you a timeless tale of redemption, generosity, and the spirit of Christmas. Join us as we delve into the classic story of A Christmas Carol, a tale of transformation. In the heart of London, there lived a miserly man named Ebenezer Scrooge. His life was consumed by the pursuit of wealth, leaving no room for kindness, compassion, or the joy of the festive season. Scrooge, with his bah humbug attitude, was a symbol of greed and a stark contrast to the merriment that surrounded him during the Christmas season. On Christmas Eve, Scrooge received a series of spectral visitors, the ghosts of Christmas past, present, and yet to come. These apparitions aimed to show him the consequences of his choices and the potential for change. Through these ghostly encounters, Scrooge was confronted with the choices that led him to his current state and the impact his actions had on those around him. The ghost's visitation sparked a transformation within Scrooge. He witnessed the warmth of past Christmases, the struggles of those in the present, and the grim fate that awaited him if he continued on his path. Filled with remorse and a newfound understanding of the true meaning of Christmas, Scrooge set out to change his ways. He embraced generosity, kindness, and the spirit of giving. On Christmas morning, Scrooge woke up with a heart full of joy and a determination to make amends. He became a beacon of generosity, delighting in the season's festivities and touching the lives of those he had once neglected. The transformation of Scrooge serves as a powerful reminder that it's never too late to change, to embrace the spirit of Christmas, and to bring happiness to the lives of others. In the days that followed, Scrooge continued his newfound mission of spreading goodwill. He supported local businesses, assisted the less fortunate, and became a true beacon of hope in the community. Scrooge's transformation not only changed him but had a ripple effect on the entire community. The spirit of Christmas had truly come alive. As Scrooge continued to share the joy of Christmas, his generosity reached far and wide. The community flourished, and the once cold and dark streets of London became a canvas of warmth, kindness, and shared happiness. The tale of Scrooge teaches us that a single act of kindness can set off a chain reaction of goodwill, transforming not only individual lives but entire communities. And so, we conclude our extended journey through A Christmas Carol, a tale of transformation. Scrooge's story is a timeless reminder that, even in the darkest of times, the spirit of Christmas has the power to ignite change and bring warmth to even the coldest hearts. Thank you for joining us on this festive adventure. As the holiday season approaches, may the lessons from Scrooge's tale inspire us all to embrace the joy of giving, cherish our loved ones, and celebrate the true spirit of Christmas. We wish you a heartwarming and Merry Christmas.